I guess it started out when I was a little kid. In 5th grade, a pretty popular show came out called Cosmos, hosted by Neil deGrasse Tyson. It was really cool. I mean, there's like 8 or 10 episodes, and it's just going over mainly space, but science in general. And I would kind of go down rabbit holes of YouTube videos as well, seeing all these different fun questions about space, of like deaths of the universe and like how weird black holes are and different types of stars. Being able to learn so much about space kind of like opened my eyes to the broader field of not even just astronomy, but physics as a whole. My name is Elle Brinkman. I am a physics major and I'm from Cincinnati, Ohio. What inspired me to pursue my major, I guess it started out when I was a little kid. I always loved space, which is pretty basic of an answer for a physicist, especially in the astronomy concentration. But it's true, looking up at the stars and like figuring out just how things worked, the theory behind everything. Like as I got older, my passion for space never really dissipated. So I always just found it really interesting growing up. I really didn't think about coming to UT at all. My dad just kind of signed me up for a tour when we were on vacation, just cutting through Knoxville. I fell in love with the campus, and after doing more research, found out they have a really good physics program close to Oak Ridge National Lab, which I had the opportunity to do an internship at, which has been amazing. So coming to UT, I didn't know a soul. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna join the drumline and I wanna get a group. And it worked out really well. Pride of the Southland is an awesome program. So I was able to make friends, go to football games for free, and also continue my passion for music. Physics faculty are really, really great. They're awesome. You know, if you go to office hours, they're always really willing to help. Dr. Mezzacappa has been so nice to me. He was the first professor that I talked to like for research, so I knew nothing. I was really scared, but he was so nice. He offered me little airplane cookies when I walked in. He was so sweet. It really helps make the class more bonded too, if you have a professor that's willing to actually speak with you on like a human level versus just being this like entity that you can't really approach. Like they feel like real people, and it's been really great. So with the research I did with Dr. Mezzacappa back in summer of 2024, with the fellowship, the departmental fellowship, we were able to get a paper out of that, which is really, really exciting. The specific project that I was on was studying what's known as gravitational waves. So basically, you take your massive dying star, the star explodes, and space-time itself actually shifts by like dozens of centimeters, at least according to the theory. These are simulations, not real. Having a paper in your resume or CV as an undergraduate is really big because a lot of times that just doesn't happen. A lot of projects will take many years, or really it's grad students that get all the glory, I'll say. So being author, especially second author on a paper, was really, really exciting. I was able to not only just contribute to the research, but also like physically see it on a paper. It was really exciting. I think something that's really fascinating about space that it really does bring us together. In my E&M class, literally we put on the Artemis launch. We just had it on the background while my professor was teaching, which was really fun. Even beyond just me being a physicist and being like, yeah, space is cool. I mean, I think everybody at some level is like, yeah, space is pretty cool. So after graduation, I'm gonna be going to The Ohio State University to continue physics for a PhD. Ohio State was my #1 choice, so I'm really happy that I got in. Without professors, I would have been very lost in the process. Overall, I'm really happy with my experience at UT. I've had so many opportunities here that I wouldn't have had elsewhere. From specific faculty to being able to work locally at Oak Ridge National Lab was incredible. Even though I'm going to Ohio State, I'll always be a volunteer. I can look on my experience at UT, my career as an undergraduate, and be really, really happy with what I've done.